Thinking about getting into 3D scanning and not sure which Einstar scanner fits your needs? This video will guide you through the differences.
Hi everyone, welcome to 3D Wonders. This is Pat. At 3D Wonders, we help our customers to find the right 3D scanner and software for the reverse engineering and inspection needs.
One of the most common questions we get is, I want to start with 3D scanning. Which scanner should I choose? The Einstar lineup offers several options, and each one is designed for different types of users and applications. In this video, we'll go through the Einstar series and explain the benefits and best use cases for each scanner, so you can choose the one that fits your needs. If you're completely new to 3D scanning, the first generation Einstar scanner is often the easiest place to start. It uses infrared structured light with no laser lines. This makes it eye-safe and simple to use. It works well for education, hobby projects, and scanning people or organic shapes. In terms of investment, the first generation Einstar sits at around $950. That makes it an accessible entry point for anyone starting with 3D scanning. When users want to move beyond basic scanning and start working with CAD-ready scan data, the Einstar 2 is a common next step. Einstar 2 uses a hybrid light system. It combines infrared structured light and 17 parallel blue laser lines. These laser lines allow surface detail up to 0.05 millimeters. Einstar 2 is positioned at around $1,250, reflecting the jump in scan detail and suitability for CAD-focused workflows. If setup time matters and you want to scan faster, the Einstar Rockit offers a different approach. Rockit uses 38 crossed blue laser lines arranged in a 19 by 19 pattern, plus additional parallel laser lines for fine detail. This crossed laser pattern helps the scanner track movement, allowing marker-free laser scanning in many real-world applications. This reduces preparation time significantly. Rockit is well-suited for automotive parts, machinery, dark or metallic surfaces, and scanning in tight spaces. With a price point of around $1,899, Rockit is aimed at users who value speed, efficiency, and reduced setup time in their scanning workflow. Some users want to scan without bringing a laptop at all. That's where the Einstar Vega comes in. Vega is a fully standalone 3D scanner with built-in processing, internal storage, and a touchscreen display. It uses two infrared scanning modes, a fast mode for larger objects and a high detail mode using a MEMS projector. This makes Vega a good choice for fieldwork, outdoor scanning, cultural heritage, and mobile documentation. Einstar Vega sits at around $1,999, reflecting its all-in-one design and independence from a laptop. So if you're just getting started, if you want the easiest way to learn 3D scanning, choose the Einstar first generation. If you want higher detail and smoother workflows, choose the Einstar 2. If you want faster setup and marker-free scanning, choose the Einstar Rockit. If you want to scan anywhere without a laptop, choose the Einstar Vega. Each scanner is designed to support a different type of user and a different way of working. If you're planning to start with 3D scanning and want help choosing the right Einstar scanner, feel free to talk to us at 3D Wonders. Thanks for watching.
Please visit our website 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.